I've bought and tested these micro SD cards so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're capturing memories on your phone, gaming on your console, or shooting videos, having the right micro SD card can make all the difference. Let's dive into the top 5 options and find out which one is the best fit for you. Product number 1. SanDisk 256GB Ultra MicroSD XC. Let me tell you about the SanDisk 256GB Ultra MicroSD XC. When I first got my hands on this card, I was impressed with its sleek design and the promise of fast performance. I plugged it into my Android phone and started transferring files, and I was blown away by the transfer speeds of up to 150 megabytes per second. This card is perfect for anyone looking to expand their storage, especially if you're into capturing full HD videos or gaming on the go. Its compatibility with devices like Chromebooks and Windows laptops ensures that you can use this card across a variety of platforms. One feature that stood out for me was the SanDisk MobileMate USB 3.0 card reader, which is essential for transferring files at lightning speed. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, this card is incredibly versatile. You can use it for everything from your smartphone to your camera. The A1 rating means apps load faster, making your device snappier. Plus, it's built to last with features like being drop-proof, temperature-proof, and waterproof, so you can take it on any adventure without worry. However, I did notice that some users may have issues with compatibility on older devices, so it's worth checking if your device supports MicroSD XC cards. Product number 2. SanDisk 128GB Extreme MicroSD XC. Next up is the SanDisk 128GB Extreme MicroSD XC. I was excited to test this card, especially with its promise of up to 190 megabytes per second read speeds. Whether you're shooting high-resolution 4K video or snapping photos on a digital camera, this card doesn't disappoint. I paired it with my action camera during a recent hiking trip, and the performance was stellar. The card handled continuous shooting with ease, and I never experienced any lag or hiccups. Let's look at the pros and cons. The standout feature here is the speed. With write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second, you can offload your footage quickly, which is crucial when you're out in the field. The A2 rating is also a big plus for app performance on your mobile devices. However, it's important to note that to achieve those maximum speeds, you need compatible devices. If you're using an older device or something that doesn't support UHS-I, you may not get the full benefit. Product number 3. Amazon Basics 512GB MicroSD XC card. Now, let's talk about the Amazon Basics 512GB MicroSD XC card. I was initially skeptical about this brand, but the 512GB capacity caught my eye, especially for its price point. I decided to use it in my drone, which requires a reliable card for high-quality footage. The read speed of up to 200 megabytes per second and write speed of 150 megabytes per second made it a solid performer. I was able to capture stunning 4K videos without any buffering or lag. On to the pros and cons. The sheer capacity is a game changer for anyone needing a large amount of storage. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from smartphones to gaming consoles. The durability features, including being waterproof and shockproof, make it perfect for outdoor adventures. However, one downside I noticed was the need for a specific card reader to achieve those maximum speeds, which could be inconvenient for some users. So why should you consider the Amazon Basics 512GB? If you're looking for massive storage at a competitive price, this card delivers. Product number 4. Amazon Basics MicroSD XC 64GB. Next is the Amazon Basics MicroSD XC 64GB. This card is perfect for those who need a smaller storage solution without sacrificing quality. I tested it on my GoPro and it performed admirably. The read speed of up to 100 megabytes per second and write speed of 30 megabytes per second is sufficient for capturing full HD videos and high-resolution photos. I found it to be reliable, especially during outdoor activities where I needed something compact. Let's discuss the pros and cons. The 64GB capacity is great for casual users who don't require excessive storage. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, and the durability features give you peace of mind. However, for heavy users or those needing more storage, it might fall short. So why buy the Amazon Basic 64GB card? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable option for casual use, this card has what you need. It's perfect for everyday photography and video recording without breaking the bank. Product number 5. Samsung P9 Express 512GB. Finally, let's dive into the Samsung P9 Express 512GB MicroSD. I was really looking forward to testing this card due to its impressive transfer speed of up to 800 megabytes per second. I used it in my Nintendo Switch 2, and the difference was noticeable. Game loads were faster, and I could store all my favorite games without worrying about deleting anything. The dynamic thermal guard technology kept the card cool, ensuring smooth gameplay. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. The speed is the standout feature. It's perfect for gamers who want quick loading times. With a robust 6-proof protection rating, it's designed to withstand the rigors of gaming on the go. However, the price is on the higher end, which might deter some budget-conscious buyers. So, why should you go for the Samsung P9 Express? If you want top-tier performance and reliability, especially for gaming, this card is a fantastic investment. It's built to last and provides peace of mind for users who take their gaming seriously. In conclusion, whether you need a high-capacity card for gaming, a reliable one for photography, or a budget-friendly option for casual use, there's a perfect MicroSD card on this list for you. Choose wisely and you'll surely enhance your storage experience.